Hey guys, I'm Chef Shaun O'Neal, winner of MasterChef Season 7, and welcome to the Pit Boss Platinum Series KC Combo. The KC Combo offers the ultimate versatility in grilling. You can grill and smoke in the pellet grill, and on the gas side, you've got a gas grill and a griddle. What I love about the KC Combo, it offers all the traditional features of a Pit Boss grill. You can grill, smoke, braise, barbecue, bake, char grill, roast, and sear. With 3 additional cooking features on our gas griddle, you can stir fry, saute, and scramble, making this Pit Boss an 11-in-1 grill. All right guys, let's jump into some of the amazing features offered by the KC Combo. First off, its cooking size. Look at the amazing space that we have to work on. For a combo unit, it has an enormous cooking surface with ribs, a pork butt, some veggies, all getting that wood-fired flavor. This is one of the biggest combo unit grill spaces you can possibly have. Also featuring the FlameBroil control lever. For when you need that high heat to sear a good steak, you just open it up and let the flames out. One of the most unique features of the KC Combo is the folding front shelf. Whatever you need, put it right here. It's durable, it's strong, it's not going anywhere. The KC Combo offers a great way to control the smoke inside of your pellet grill. The adjustable smokestack. Now let's move on to what I am personally most excited about from the Pit Boss Platinum Series KC Combo, the gas griddle. Before you start cooking on your gas griddle, you really need to season the cast iron. What you want to do is oil it liberally, turn it on high, let that oil cook off. Oil it again, let it keep cooking off, and repeat that process 2 to 3 times until you have this nice black color. This is the color you want in cast iron. Out of the box, it's going to look nice and silver, but we're really shooting for this bluish black color that is reminiscent of a traditional cast iron skillet. All right, we've seasoned our grill, we're ready to cook. Let's cook some food. Let's let this stuff cook for a little bit while I tell you about some of the other features on the KC Combo. Starting with a huge side shelf, perfect for putting all your sauces, your utensils, whatever you need to bring your kitchen outside to your Pit Boss Platinum Series. One of the things I love about having the griddle on this side, it means I can start the pellet grill, let my pork butt or my ribs go, and smoke for dinner while I'm cooking breakfast and lunch right here on the griddle. The versatility and ease from changing from a gas griddle to a gas grill is a snap. So many features packed into this one unit. Now let's talk about the hopper and the advanced digital control board. First off, this hopper is huge. It will hold 26 pounds of wood pellets. That's easily enough to get you through an entire day of cooking. Now to the advanced digital control board. First off is your temperature control. You can go all the way from smoke to the highest H setting. That's 500 degrees, the perfect temperature to sear anything you're cooking. Below the heat control, the control board lets us know when the auger's running, when the igniter is on, when the fan is running, as well as letting you know when you're out of pellets. On the other side of the control board, we have the power button. Simply hold the power button to turn the grill on and off. The prime button, which allows you to turn the auger on and move pellets into the firebox. If you need high heat, that's the button you're gonna go for. You can also control Fahrenheit and Celsius, as well as turning the lights on and off in not only the griddle, but the pellet grill as well. And lastly, this Smoke IT icon lets us know when we're connected to the Smoke IT app. The Smoke IT app features all the controls of our manual control board except at the touch of your finger on your smart device. Smoke IT won't let you turn on your grill, but it does give you the ability to turn it off. Let's check and see what's underneath the control board. Here we have some amazing storage area where we keep our 2 provided probes. Today we're only going to use one to check this pork butt. As you can see, we're getting an instant reading on the internal temperature of that pork butt. We still got a little way to go. Now let's talk about the 2 ways to achieve that perfect sear on the KC Combo. Whether you want that wood-fired flavor or that crispy cast iron sear, we got you covered. What we've done already is we've smoked these tomahawk ribeyes to cook them almost all the way through. Now we're gonna reverse sear them to get that beautiful crust. Now I'm gonna open the FlameBroiler control lever. Once you're done with your cook and your grill is turned off, simply use the brush to clean out the burn pot, remove the ashtray, and you'll notice, because of how efficiently the KC Combo cooks, very, very little waste. All right guys, that was the Pit Boss Platinum Series KC Combo, available exclusively at Walmart. For more information and some delicious recipes designed specifically for this grill, visit us online.